Okay, hello everyone, this is Gavin Birchall. Thanks for tuning in today, great to have you all here. Now, I just wanted to shoot this quick video all about Ethereum and its recent breakout and its all new record that it's currently recently broken. And not only that, I did want to talk about Ethereum, but there's been some insane movements in the marketplace, in the cryptocurrency marketplace, with Bitcoin as well. Now, obviously this video is all about Ethereum rivaling Bitcoin, but then as soon as Ethereum smashes through the $400 mark, Bitcoin smashes through the $9,000 mark, okay? So just insane, just insane. So recently we had a bit of consolidation here after this current run up here, and then as soon as it smashed through this 400, it's almost, we're talking about $500 mark already here. So as you can see, it is starting to settle down a bit again here, but I do expect this anyway. We get this, this huge spike here is just insane. And people were talking about the $500 mark, and I surely expect that to happen before the year is out. But yeah, people are talking about Ethereum rivaling Bitcoin, and it's great news if you're looking to get into the cryptos now, guys. Ethereum, it's still relatively cheap compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at the 9,000 mark now. Still not too late. You can still, if you want to buy and hold with Bitcoin, you can still buy Bitcoin now. Start with what you can afford, and then obviously hold on to that and just enjoy the current highs that it's performing at right now. But this, yeah, like I say, with Ethereum, huge spike here, and I do expect it to settle down a little bit, kind of do this pattern here, and then maybe shoot up again past the 500. So if we take a look at Bitcoin as well, it's just absolutely insane what has happened in the past 48 hours. So everyone was, not so long ago, everyone was talking about getting excited about the 6,000 mark, which obviously it broke through at the end of October, and now we're in the end of November. We're talking, I shot a video actually not so long ago, just a couple of weeks ago, talking about the 10,000 mark, and I said, maybe it could reach that by the end of the year, but now I'm convinced that it's actually going to. So yeah, we were talking about the 6,000 mark, then the 7, which it broke through, dropped back down, and then just basically you got a sort of head and shoulders pattern here. There's a shoulder, there's a shoulder, and this is a head. Without going too technical, obviously that looks a bit like head and shoulders, and then obviously it's shot up again. So I'm kind of expecting it to settle down a little bit now after these two obviously massive gains here. We're currently at 9,358.75. So again, great news for us buy and holders. I'm buying and holding, but if you're not really looking just to buy and hold, but you've not really got any experience in reading the charts and knowing when to buy or when to sell, then that's not a problem, because what you can do is check out the description below, and obviously you can join Bitconnect. Now I will be shooting a video as promised soon, showing you how to make daily gains from Bitconnect. We're talking 1 or 2% daily gains. So over a month, you're talking 30% gains over a month. So that's when in an average month as well. So huge opportunity there. You don't need to know any trading or anything like that. You basically lend out your Bitcoin to Bitconnect, and its bots go out and trade, and then when they make gains on those trades through your lending of your Bitcoin, you get 1 or 2% back. So the minimum investment is $100, But like I say, what you can do is reinvest those 1 and 2%, and you're allowed to do it in $10 segments. So you'll have to let it build up to $10 and reinvest. And then obviously, if you started with $100 and you reinvest that 10, and obviously now you've got $110 trading instead of just the 100, and you can keep reinvesting until you're happy. Let's say your target is $50 a day you want to be making from Bitconnect, then obviously you can start taking out that $50 on a daily basis, or just let that build up at the end of the month and then take it out at the end of the month, just to pay those bills and a few luxuries as well, if you so wish. So yeah, what you can do if you're really on the fence but you're edging towards investing in the cryptocurrencies, obviously you can invest in Bitcoin, it's not too late. But I wanted to show you Ethereum as well. So if we go back to that, let's have a look. So we click on here. Approaching the 480 mark, and Litecoin as well. If you want to look at that, then of course you can do. But these, Ethereum and Litecoin, are still really, really investable. They're still relatively low compared to Bitcoin. So two different coins there as well that you can take a look at. And like I say, if you do want to start investing, then the first step would be to come over here to Coinbase. Now obviously I'm a member here already, and when I joined under someone else and got $10 worth of free Bitcoin right away. I invested $100, and that was the deal. You invested $100 and you get $10 worth. And as soon as I did that, as soon as I joined Coinbase, I literally got that free $10 worth of Bitcoin in a matter of minutes. So, you can take my word for it, you do get the $10. But if you want to join, you can join Coinbase. It's free to join. Check out the description again below this video, and you'll be able to click on the link. And when you invest on that $100 through me, through that link, I'll get $10 worth of free Bitcoin, and you will as well. Okay, so that's a nice little deal there to get you going. And with Coinbase, you can invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. I'm currently invested in all three, and these gains that they've all made, all these three coins have made gains recently, have obviously been beneficial if you're buying and holding. But also with Bitconnect, like I mentioned a few seconds ago, you can simply come over here once you've bought some Bitcoin, and you can transfer some of this Bitcoin over to Bitconnect once you've joined here as well, and then start enjoying those daily gains. So I mean, with this strategy, it is fantastic, because when you start to get a bit of up and down movement, and the downward trends as well, you actually make more gains from Bitconnect, which is it's a bit strange, but it's a way to make gains from your investment, whether the markets go up, down, or any other way. So obviously for us buy and holders, I'm buying and holding at the moment. As when the markets go up, that's great. Over the last month, 60% increase, okay, which is fantastic news for us buy and holders. Let's see what Ethereum's at. 53% gain, and Litecoin 52%. So it's fantastic that way. But also, if the markets do go down, let's just go back to the chart. If the markets do start to go down and they're a bit up and down and everything, then you're still making gains. You're making bigger gains here. So it's a win-win. So I'm loving this strategy at the moment. So yeah, that's it for today's video, really. I just wanted to shoot the news that's recently happened in the crypto world. Ethereum's took off, but then comes back the old faithful Bitcoin with its recent upward trend as well. So fantastic news all around. Like I say, if you want to get in, just get your free $10 worth of Bitcoin through my link below when you join Coinbase, and it'll be great to have you on board. And obviously look out for more of my videos. Subscribe, click the bell as well below the video. Stick on a like, that'd be great. And any comments and questions, just fire away. I'm always here to help. And yeah, just look out for more videos. I'll be shooting more videos around the cryptocurrencies. And yeah, let's enjoy the ride, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you've got any questions, just shoot away and I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.